Now, for those of you that use them, just to let you know that tags are being phased out by QuickBooks in May 2025. If you're watching this after, tags was phased out by QuickBooks in May 2025. I don't know why, but what it is usually to streamline the software. And what will happen is tags will now still be available in some form, just no longer called tabs. For those of you not sure what tags are, to give an example, we use them extensively. You can use them in a transaction. So say this is parking, and you're coding it. It's to, I don't know, London Borough of somewhere parking, Ringo parking. You put the account in and so forth. In here, you'll see a tag field. Here's one I prepared earlier called Marketing Online Tags. Now, you might have a tag for members of staff. So you're tagging each parking fine or parking fee for a particular member of staff. So then you can later on run a report to see how much John in accounts has spent on parking. We have property agents who use this, and so they can tell you at any given time if they get a parking fine, they will put it down to whoever it is. I mean, there are other ways of doing it as well, but if you don't want to set up a supplier account for every member of staff or every supplier, you just have one and then you just tag it. John had this ticket, Gina had that ticket, and so forth. Anyway, this is disappearing in May, but that's the bad news. The good news is you'll still be able to tag, for want of a better word. What QuickBooks are doing, making you use what they call custom fields, which will have exactly the same fundamental process or exactly the same use and more. A few things you need to do before that happens, and if you haven't done it yet to do, is one, understand that any reports you have that have tags in them, you will be able to view up until 2028. So it's not a disaster. All that will happen is you will no longer be able to make changes to them. So what you should do is download any reports that you think you're going to want that will show those particular tags, or export them. But what they have done is set it up so that you can continue as you were, but instead of in tags, what you will do is you will be able to migrate to custom fields. So to do that, if you go up to the settings cog and then come down to tags, and you will see here, tags will no longer be supported after May 16, 2025. So what it is going to do is help you to migrate from the tags to the custom fields. If you click on that, we have imported all the tags to custom fields. And here you just take a quick look to see if all the tags that you want are there. Now, prior to that, you could have come in here and deleted any that you're no longer going to be using. It's not the best idea, because if you've used them on reports, if you delete them, then they're no longer available to you. So sometimes it's better to just export everything and then archive those particular tags or fields so that the historic reports stay there. Now, there's only one here, so you're not going to see the full effects of what it does. But if I had more than one, you'd see them as a drop-down list. And here it's telling you all the different types of documents and entry points where those custom fields will or can and will show up. You may not want them in all of them, but I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Let me move my face and then just click save. Now, this may not work in this version because it's a demo version. It picks what it saves. All you would really need to do is come up here, go back into settings, custom fields, and no, it hasn't saved it yet because it's a demo. So it's treating it as if I need to create brand new custom fields. But in your version, if it has populated, it should work. It's your real-time data. I hope that helps.